Hey YouTubers, here's going to be a quick campfire on the shores of Lake Michigan. Hope you enjoy. There'll be a little bit of crackling and there'll be some music in it, but it was nice to get out camping and have a fire. Hope you enjoy. Finally, campfire time. There we go, that should go. Going to show you the whole thing as the fire starters go. That's them awesome fire starters right there. This is real time without editing. I'm telling you, they're really good campfires, and no gas was used in the preparation of this fire. It just takes off pretty quick. I highly recommend trying to make those on your own. They're cheap and they work fantastic. I think it's just weird. See that thing go?
For sure.
That fire starter's badass. Does it need another log or move the ones we got? How big a fire we want? There's not much better than a campfire on a great lake. Two campfires. That starter will burn a good 10-15 minutes. That, my friends, are those Boy Scout fire starters. They are fantastic. You just get paper egg cartons and then you put sawdust in them and melt some candle wax or crayons, pour it over it. They make fantastic fire starters. And there's some paper towels in there and plates. But that's it. Now I'll shut up and let you enjoy.
Ooh, there was a...
I just stopped it long enough to move it, and I'll zoom you in. Woo! Hot fire! Roll Eddie around a little bit, he'll be alright. Shit, maybe I need to move you back further, you two.
Yeah, maybe the table too.
I think we gotta move you back. That's a fire. That's a fire.
That's good firewood.
Eddie's hood is still looking pretty good with a nice sunset lighting up the sky. It was behind us, but it was quite nice. I didn't record the fire after the sunset, but here's something for the cat fans. They're enjoying Lake Michigan as well. Have a great and wonderful day.